Kids Rolling Backpack and Lunch Bag functions as both a bag on wheels for school and a fun carry-on backpack for kids age 3 to 11 years. Comes with a matching kids lunch bag. Lots of room, yet small enough for kids in kindergarten to 4th grade to pull. Holds 2 textbooks, lunch, plus a bunch of small items. Measures 18 by 13 by 9 inches. Easy to organize, includes a main zippered compartment, a large exterior zipper pocket, 2 side pockets, plus an internal organizer with key clip, pen slots and pouches for small items. Insulated lunch bag, included lunch bag for kids, keeps food at the right temperature. Holds a sandwich, drink, snack, and ice pack. Measures 10 by 8 by 4 inches. Rubber base, molded rubber bottom, holds up to the punishment of dragging on pavement and upstairs. No more holes in the bottom of your kids' rolling backpack. Top reviews from the United States. Great backpack. Bought this for my 8-year-old son. He loved it and I was happy with the overall product. This backpack was very cute, good quality, smooth rolling. The handle was also smooth to adjust. Came with matching lunchbox. Very happy with this purchase.